In this video, we'll be looking at how you can teach using the various work areas that Scrapbook allows us to use. Straight away, we can see on this screen that we have our work area in the middle, we have our gallery on the right hand side, we have our thumbnails on the left hand side, and then we have our toolbars on the top. This is a common way for preparing lessons where I have access to everything that I need, so I can skip between the slides or I can go to the gallery. Some teachers prefer not to have the slides on the side available because the children are able to see what's coming next. If I go up to Toolbar 2 and I click on Page View, it removes those thumbnails. So now I have just my work area and I have my gallery accessible to me, as well as Toolbar 2 on the top where I can access other tools. Should you want to take it one step further, by clicking on the gallery icon, I can remove the gallery, and now I only have Toolbar 2 on the top and my palette to use while I'm teaching. So there's no distractions around the side. If you know you're going to be bringing in a lot of pictures from the gallery, it's best to have the gallery open. Most teachers prefer to teach this way, as you have access to Toolbar 2 and your palette, but you don't have those distractions down the side. Another way we can teach is by going to full screen. Once again, if I click on Toolbar 2 and click on the full screen button, this will give me the full screen. And now I have a floating toolbar. If you want, you can hide the main toolbar by just clicking on the red cross, and now you have the full screen for you to use and your tool palette, no distractions, and you can go on. Teachers that are confident with the software and know how to move about through Scrapbook will use this method. It does give you more space on the board to write and to present with. Another way of accessing these tools is through Toolbar 1. If I click on View, there I have Normal. I can add my gallery back in. If I want, I can just go to the page. Another feature we have is to zoom in and zoom out. We could either zoom in by clicking on the zoom in button, zoom out, or we could go choose a percentage. So if we want to zoom in, that allows me to zoom in over my picture, which is great if you're using a picture where you want a lot of detail. And then you can quickly come out by going back to View, Zoom to 100%, and that takes it back to where it was. Thank you for watching this video brought to you by the Technology Training Academy.